Good morning all of you. In the previous class we are solving the questions of chapter determinant which are asked in board examination. Now today we are also going solving some questions of board examination. Let's see. If A is equal to, if the matrix A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1, we have to given this matrix and find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A we have to calculate, and adjoint of A into A is equal into A. Adjoint of A is equal to I 3 A adjoint. So this is A3 determinant of A I3. So let's start. First we have to given this matrix and we have to verify that adjoint of A into A is equal to A into adjoint of A. So what we will do, we will first find the adjoint of A. So let's find first cofactor. Let A11 is equal to, A11 is what? A11 will be disappear. This will be height. This will be height. We get cos alpha minus 0. And this will be cos alpha. Now A12 is what? This will be height, this will be height. So here will be sin alpha minus 0 and this will be with the negative sign. So this is sin alpha minus A13 is what? This is total 0. Okay, because this is 0. Now A21 is, this is right, 0 minus 0. So this is 0. A22 is, this is 0, this is 0. So cos alpha minus 0, this is cos alpha. A23 is 0. So the whole quantity is 0. Okay. Now A31 is, this is 0, so this is 0. A32, this is 0, so the whole quantity is 0. A33 is what? This is cancelled, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. Okay. So finally we get the adjoint of A is what? Cos alpha minus sin alpha 0. And our A21 is what? A21. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. So minus sin alpha minus sin alpha. This is cancelled. So minus sin alpha and this is negative. So it will be minus sin alpha. Okay, and 822 is, this is cancelled, so cos alpha minus 0, so this is, so 831 is 0, 832 is 0, and 833 is 1. Now we write adjoint of A is what? It is the transpose of cofactor. So we write cos alpha minus sin alpha, and A3 is 0. Okay. Now 821 is minus sin alpha, 822 is cos alpha, 823 is 0, 831 0 0, and this is 1. So the adjoint is cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0, sin alpha, cos alpha, 0 0 0 1. Okay. Here A21, this is cancelled, this is negative sign, so minus and minus sign, it will be sin alpha. Okay. Now the transpose of this is what? We will change this, all the rows into the column. We write cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0, sin alpha, cos alpha, 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now this is our adjoint, and now we will find the left hand side, that is adjoint of A into A. So let the left hand side is adjoint of A into A. So adjoint is cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0, sin alpha, cos alpha, 0 0 0 1, and now we write here, this is cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, minus sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1. Now we write here adjoint determinant matrix A, which is cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0, sin alpha, cos alpha, 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now we multiply both, we get what? We will use first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So we write cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus 0, again minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha and plus 0, and the third is 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now again we take second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay. So multiply. Minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha plus 0, sin square alpha cos square alpha plus 0, and next 0 0, and this is 0. Okay. So this will be again in 0, Now we will take third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. So multiply 0 plus 0 plus 0, and again 0 plus 0 plus 0, and the next 0 plus 0 plus 1. So what we are getting? We are getting 1, and this will be cancelled. So we get 0, and here 0. It will be again cancelled 0. It is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we are getting identity. Okay. Now our determinant of A. If we are finding the determinant of A, so what we have done here, adjoint of A, we have written adjoint of A, and this is A, we multiply both, we are getting this is identity. So I am going to write the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is cos alpha sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1, and we are going, and the next, now we will find determinant of A. So determinant is, we change this in the form of determinant. So cos alpha, this will be cos alpha minus 0 minus sin alpha, this will be cancelled, sin alpha minus 0 plus third term is 0. So we are getting cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, this is equal to 1. So our determinant is what? Our determinant is 1. So we write here 1 into identity, and identity is 1. We can write determinant of A. So our determinant of A is 1. So we write determinant of A I 3, because this is the identity matrix of order 3. So in this way our first term adjoint of A into A, after multiplication we get determinant of A identity. So our left hand side has proved. Now we will take the next adjoint of A into A. We will see the second part. Adjoint of A adjoint of A. Okay. Now we will write the determinant, the matrix A. Our matrix A is cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1. Okay, and our adjoint is cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1. Okay, now we will again multiply. After multiplication we get, again we get what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and we write this is what? This is our I3, and we write into 1, and this is our determinant is 1, so we replace determinant of A I3. So in this way we can prove that adjoint of A into A is equal to A, adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A I3. Okay. So what we have done, first we have calculated in this question adjoint of A. Our adjoint is what? Our adjoint of A is the cofactors of determinant A, our matrix A, and after that we multiply it with A. Okay, and we have seen that adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I3, and A into adjoint of A is also equal to determinant of A into I3. So we will see the next question. So next question is, two schools P and Q want to award their selected students on the values of tolerance, kindness and leadership. Okay. And the school P want to award rupees X each, Y each and Z rupees each for the three respective values to 3, 2 and 1 students respectively, with a total award money of 2200 rupees. And similarly, school Q want to spend 3100 rupees to award its 4, 1 and 3 students on the respective values by giving the same award money to the 3 values as school P. If the total amount of award for one prize on each value is 1200, using matrix method find the award money for each value. So we have to given two schools P and Q, and they want to give the award to their selected students for the values tolerance and kindness, and third, leadership. See, okay. So, according to the questions, the school P want to award X rupees each, Y rupees each and Z rupees each for the three respective values. So let the tolerance, this is X, this is Y and this is Z. Okay. Now they are giving the values 3, 2 and 1 students. Values to 3, 2 and 1. So we make the equation what 3x, according to question our first equation is 3x 2y plus z is equal to 0 and 0. Okay. And for the second condition we have to given 4, 1 and 3. So we write 4x plus y plus 3 z is what? 3100. And the third condition is given that if the total amount of award for one prize on each value is 1200, so we write x plus y plus z is equal to 1200, and we have to find the values x, y and z. So x is what? We have considered x for tolerance, and we have considered y for kindness and z for leadership. So using matrix method we have to find the value of x, y and z. Okay. So we know that this equation can be written as in the form of ax is equal to b. Okay. And we also write this x is equal to a inverse b as usual. Okay. And where a is what? A is 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, and x is what? Our variable x, y, z, and our b is what? 22, 30, 100, 1200. Okay. Now we have to, for calculating the value of x, y, z, we first find what is A inverse. Then we put the value of A inverse x and b in this equation. So for finding A inverse, we should be calculated the adjoint of A. So how we calculate the adjoint of A? For adjoint of A, we will calculate what? We will calculate the cofactors, and after calculating cofactors, we will take the transpose of cofactor and get A inverse. So first we will check the A inverse is existing or not existing. So we find first determinant of A. So our determinant of A is what? 3, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 4 minus 3, 1. This will be 4 minus 1. So we get 3 into minus 2, 2 into 1, 1 into 3, we get minus 6, minus 2 plus 3, minus 8 plus 3, minus 8 plus 3, minus 5. So we are seeing that our determinant is not equal to 0. So we can write A inverse exists. Okay. So our determinant of A is minus 5. So we are saying that determinant of A is not equal to 0. So our A inverse exists. Okay. So now we will find what? We will find A inverse. Okay. For A inverse, we will calculate adjoint of A. Okay. So for finding adjoint of A, we have to calculate first the cofactors. So we'll write the cofactors first. A11 is A11. This is cancelled. 1 minus 1. This is 1 minus 3. This is minus 2. A12 cancel. 4 minus 3. This is minus 1. A12, this is cancelled. 4 minus 3. Okay. A13 is what? This is cancelled. So 4 minus 1, this is 3. A21 is, this is cancelled. 2 minus 1, this is minus 1. A22, this cancel. 1 minus 3 minus 1, this is 2. And A23 is what? This cancel. 3 minus 2, this is minus 1. And A31 is what? This cancel. 3 to the 6 minus 1, this is 5. A32 is what? Negative sign, this cancel. 9 minus 4, this is minus 5. A33 is what? This cancel. 6 minus 1, this is 5. Now what we have get? A11 is minus 2, A12 is minus 1, A13 is 3, A21 is minus 1, A22 is 2, A23 is minus 1, A31 is 5, A32 is minus 5, A33 is minus 5. Let's check. A33, this is cancelled. 3 minus 8, A33, this cancel. 3 minus, what is 8? 3 minus 8, this is minus 5. Now what we have get the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is -2, -1, 3, -1, 2, -1, 5, -5, -5 and dash. So we get what we get -2, -1, 3, -1, 2, -1, 5, -5, -5. So this is our adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is what? -2, -1, 5, -1, -1, 2, -5, 3, -1, -5. Now we find what? A inverse. So let x is equal to A inverse B. So x is x, y, z. A inverse is first we will find A inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A, -2, -1, 5, -1, 2, -5, 3, -1, -5 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A is -5. So A inverse is multiplied this minus. We get 2, 1, -3, 1, -2 and +1, -5, 5, 5. So we get this divided by 5. For A inverse is 1 by 5, 2, 1, -5, 1, -2, 5, -3, 1, 5. Okay, now we will find what we will put the values in this equation. So x is x, y, z. A inverse is 1 by 5, 2, 1, -5, 1, -2, 5, -3, 1, 5, and B is what? Our B is 2200, 311200. Now multiply this will be 4400 plus 3100 minus 6000, and this is 2200 minus 6200 plus and minus 6600 plus 3100 plus 1200. Now after solving we get what? After solving we get this is 1500, 2000 and third is 2500, and after solving we get 300, 400, 500. So this is x, y, z. So x is what? 300, y is 400, z is 500. So what we have calculated? We have seen, we have find the value of x, y, z after using the matrix method. We first find the A inverse, and after getting A inverse we put the values here, and after multiplication we get x, y, z, which is the award given to for tolerance to the student is 300 rupees for tolerance and 400 rupees for kindness, and for the leadership they given 500 rupees each student. So in this way we can solve such type of word problem In this problem we have to given conditions, and after using all the conditions and using matrix method, we have solved this question and get the result. Okay, so in this way we can find and solve the similar problem on the basis of on the chapter determinant, and we will see next question in the next class. Thank you.